students, today I will solve a sum which is related to an irrational number. Before solving a sum, it is necessary to explain the term contradiction. A contradictory statement is one that says two things that cannot be true. Example 1. A round square. Both the shape are different. In a particular object, either a shape of that object will be a round or a square. Second example is a snowy summer's day. Both the situations of a weather are opposite to each other. Now a sum root 5 is an irrational number. I will solve this sum by taking contradiction. Everybody knows that root 5 is an irrational number. Let us assume the opposite, that is root 5 is a rational number. Then by definition of a rational number, root 5 can be written as a upon b, where a and b are co-prime integers. That is, a and b have no common factors except 1. For example, 3 by 4 can be written as 3 into 1 and 4 into 1. Factors of 3 are 3 and 1, and factors of 4 are 4 and 1. Only common factors are 1. Common factors are 1. And b is not equal to 0. Squaring both sides, square of root 5 is equal to 5 is equal to a square upon b square. This can be written as a square equal to 5b square. Equation 1. 5b square as 5 divides 5b square. So 5 divides a square. A square right hand side of equation 1 implies that 5 divides a. We know that the theorem, if a is any natural number and p is a prime number such that p divides a square, then p divides a. Here, if a 5 divides a square, then 5 divides a. Suppose a value of a is equal to 25. Then value of a square is equal to 25 into 25 equal to 625. If 5 divides a square, value of 5 is 25, then value of a square will be 625 divided by 5 equal to 105. Then 5 divides a. Value of a is equal to 25 by 5 equal to 5. If 5 divides a square, then 5 divides a. It can be written as 5 divides a divided by 5 equal to r, where r is a positive integer, that is a is equal to 5r. Where r is a positive integer, squaring both sides, we get a square equal to 25r square from equation first and third. From equation first, a square is equal to 5b square. And from equation third, a square equal to 25r square. From equation first and third, we get 25r square is equal to 5b square, or b square equal to 5r square. Since 5 divides 5r square, since 5 divides 5r square, so then 5 divides b square. B square right hand side of equation 4. Then again using this theorem, if a is any natural number and p is a prime number such that p divides a square, then p divides a. So then if 5 divides b square, then 5 divides b. Here 5 divides a and here 5 divides b. This implies that 5 divides a and 5 divides b. Thus a and b have a common factor 5 other than 1. This contradicts our assumption that a and b are co-prime. Hence, root 5 is an irrational number. Thank you, students.